Here we are on the overview page in the Discover dashboard. This is the page you're going to land on as soon as you launch the application. And what it gives you is an overview of participation. You can see how many people have taken part so far, how many thoughts they've shared, and as well how many thoughts they've rated. Now, just down below that area is a breakdown of participation across each step. And so that gives you a sense of, do people need a notification to come back and rate more thoughts? Maybe we want more thoughts shared. This will give you that information as a leader. Another key area to consider on the overview page are the answers to any demographic or survey questions that you might have asked. So if you're looking at this exchange here, you can see they've actually used location as a demographic. The leader might look at this and say, ooh, our representation in this one category is low. I'm going to reach out to the membership body there, make sure that their membership is aware and that they can try to boost participation to make sure that their voice is represented in the conversation. Now, this is a great page to keep tabs in one exchange. It's also a great page to keep tabs on as you move through different exchanges, just to make sure the voices you want to maybe need to hear from are being represented over time. The next tab we're going to look at is our Connections tab. Now, this is actually a visualization of an exchange taking place. If you are a leader sharing the impact of an exchange live in the room, it's wonderful to do a replay of this as you're sharing out those results. So you just go down to this navigation bar, click play, and then you can see on the right-hand side there where it says 2 times, use the plus or minus to either speed up the replay or slow it down, depending on the needs of your presentation. A follow-up to that would actually be launching another exchange live in the room, maybe to gather thoughts and questions. And you can again use this connection tab so people see what it looks like to engage as they're sharing thoughts and starring thoughts.